Today we have two special videos back to back. The first video is gonna be my best friend. She's going to be reacting to my Stance cambered car. I gotta go straight. Second video is gonna be a prank.
Do you think insurance will cover if I like set the car on fire?
What the fuck? Hell no. I don't know about that shit. Don't get me set up on that. Like, what are you trying to get? I do what?
Benz?
This.
What if we do the GTI?
Oh shit.
I'm super nervous because my friend is on her way right now. She's from Jersey, so she's coming down to Florida, and we are basically gonna be using my Accord as an Uber, and we're gonna take her, and her boyfriend is actually coming as well. We're gonna be driving them around Florida. We're gonna give them a tour in this car, so basically Uber stuff. I'm pretty nervous because it's gonna be 2 people inside the car, so in total it's gonna be 3 people inside my car. We're only gonna take them to one spot, and it's like 40 minutes away. The famous World Food Trucks, and that's located here in Florida. Will the car make it? It should. Wish me luck. She's on her way right now. I just finished putting air on all tires. Also, I don't think she's gonna like the ride. She's never been in a Stance car or a static car or a low cambered car, so I really prediction I don't think she's gonna like it just because it's gonna be too bouncy.
Okay fam, we're here with Jackie, one of like my bestest friend. You guys remember her? Remember we did a video driving, teaching them how to drive a manual car? We're actually in Florida now, so no AC in this car, Jackie. I'm sorry.
Oh, you for real?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Okay.
I was telling them, I think you're gonna hate it. Just because it's bouncy.
Ah, okay. It's bouncy.
Yeah, you'll see once we get faster. But we got some wind, so we should be good. It shouldn't be too hot.
What is that?
That's the fender.
Is it scraping?
No. That's the fender because it's tight. The wheels are like super close to the fenders, so when I turn, you hear it. But that's all it is. That's why I can't turn too much. The car is dirty. I should have washed it for you. Special guest. Yeah, you see, I can't turn too much. I gotta like do 20-point turns. And I can't back up and turn at all.
Wow.
The fender will break. It'll buckle.
So you can't reverse and turn?
I gotta go straight backwards. I'd be scared to be going over like 5 miles per hour. Yeah. Oh god. We might have to scrape a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna scrape a little bit now.
Help me.
Is that normal? That's normal. It's just scraping.
It's like you're driving like those public buses.
The public buses.
You know, you gotta turn wide and then they're jumping all the time.
Imagine driving this in Jersey.
In Jersey, holy shit.
There's so many potholes out there. What? It was a bump.
This is just going down one street.
Yeah, I already know where it's gonna scrape. Someone honked.
What's the fastest you can go in this one?
You could go however fast, but I don't like to go too fast. So the fastest is probably like 65. Yeah. When I'm in the highway, I go 80. But since these are like local streets, I just go 45, 60 max. Yeah, bro.
I need to drive so I can hear that while I'm driving.
Already done.
But somewhere flat. This one. Without turning.
I know, straight, just
straight.
pure straight.
For 2 seconds and done.
Finished fueling up. I hope the audio is good. It's not that bad, right?
No. Not that bad. The metal scrapes made me inside.
I'm about to go super slow over there. Where's my phone at? Did I not bring my phone? Let me call you.
Now it wants to work. Now it wants.
We're entering the worst road possible in the world. will use it. I don't know where my phone is, first of all. I hope it's not at the gas station. We can't connect Jackie's phone for some reason. It's not pairing. Perfect. Beautiful. Okay, come out on the other side. I can't find my phone. What he said? I don't know. I'm so mad. Oh my god. What? I'm having the music won't go. It should connect. I don't know why it's acting up like that.
We made it safe and sound.
It's dark now. This camera has been everywhere today. Do you guys want to see the stars? Should we put the stars on? You think they still work? Oh, where's the plug for it? Oh, stars. We got the stars on. Damn, I can't. Okay, let's do pink. Pink is cute. We're gonna leave it pink. Someone's trying to race. Like, I'm trying to see. I can't see anything, sir. I am not trying to race. I'm back to my territory. I kind of know the roads here, but it's so dark. It's like they're still living in the 5th century with no lights, with candles only. You guys want to see how dark it is? This is how dark it is. This is my view. Meanwhile, outside it's like this. Now is time for the prank. For the prank, I gotta go get gas right now. In case Dante decides to like pick up the tank, there's actual gas in there and he can smell it. So the prank is gonna be me trying to set my car on fire for a new car. Let's see if he falls for it.
It's go time. I'm pretty nervous. Oh my god, now I see it. I can see it now.
That looks stuck.
Alright. Need your... I bought gas, right? What do you think? Do you think insurance will cover if I like set the car on fire?
What the fuck? Hell no. I don't know about that shit. Don't get me set up on that.
You don't think I'll get a new car if I set this car on fire?
No.
What if
When
it's
you
just
went and
like...
bought gas and you had this plan,
What do you think if I just do the hood?
I don't, Stephanie, I really don't know, bro. Like, that's the insurance scam of hell. Probably gotta ask my mom about that.
People do that, right?
But yeah, that's on you. I don't know how that works. Like, I don't know if you light the shit on fire and you get caught. Like, you could probably go down big time. Like, niggas got cameras everywhere around here.
Do it in the nighttime.
Huh?
Do it in the nighttime.
Stephanie, I don't know. That's like illegal shit. I don't do no illegal shit. That's on you. You gotta ask my mom. She'll probably tell you. But don't do something you're not 100% sure what you're gonna get out of it.
I don't know. I just feel like everybody does it like on purpose. Like they
But you have a
set their cars on
2003
fire.
or 2004 Honda Accord.
Yeah,
Niggas do that with new cars, not old cars. You're not gonna get nothing for this car. Especially the way it looks. You probably won't get shit. I don't know though. Maybe you would. I don't know. I have no idea. I'm not the person to ask for that. Ask my mom. She'll tell you.
Can I take the gas out of here?
It's crazy. I think you went and got gas. Like you had the shit planned out. Like you had the shit, like you was about to do this shit right now if I say yeah.
I just needed your opinion.
Yeah, I don't want to say yeah and then you don't get nothing or you get in trouble. Like that's.
I gotta just check. Gotta do my research if it's gonna cover it or not. Like if I just do the hood at least, or the back, make it seem like it was the music that did it. Get the fire extinguisher so it doesn't ruin the car. I mean, I don't know.
Like, what are you trying to get out of this? Money?
A new car.
Yeah, I don't think that's how it works. You're not gonna get a like. What are you trying to get? A new what?
Ben. Imagine.
Yeah, no, that's not how it works. This car's not gonna be more
Like
worth
insurance
it.
is insurance at the end of the day, no?
But it's not gonna give you over $10,000 for this car if that's what you think. Like I don't know how much you think you're getting out of a car that's old.
What if we do the GTI?
Oh shit. Oh, if you do the GTI, nah, I can't. I don't want to do that.
I put a gallon in here too. just in case.
What were you planning?
Have it like set up as the music wires or something.
What were you planning? Where's
Look.
the gallon? You're bluffing. What, you just pranking me or some shit? Oh, you're wild.
Oh my god, I was so nervous.
My hair.
I didn't want to push it. Oh my gosh, that was bad. My heart is actually racing right now.
I believed you though.
I know you believed me because you would have been like, get out of here, Steph. Let's go back inside.
I'm glad I didn't sell. Imagine I was like, yeah, let's do it. Not as crazy though.
Aww, my car, Dante. You thought I was gonna do that to my car?
That's why I was like, it didn't make sense.
I was upset, like saying it. I was like, oh, like.
It didn't make sense, but it made sense because I was like, okay, maybe
She wants a
to do
new car,
something.
right?
Nah,
So
you
bad.
saying the GTI though would have, yeah, that.
I thought it was over when I said
was
the
like,
GTI.
Hell no.
You were like,
Get rid of this.
that's so sad.
that
Even
would be
saying
crazy.
it, even saying it. So,
So that's what we doing? We doing pranks now?
no.
Oh, we doing pranks now? Because if you want to do
Listen,
pranks, we can do
no.
pranks.
See, it
'Cause
didn't
if we
hurt
wanna
you.
do pranks-
Listen, it didn't hurt you. Look, I got 2 cameras. What
the fuck?
Production team.
That shit's recording still? Stop that.
Oh my god, Dante. I should have done way more.
Yeah,
I
you should have dragged it.
I was scared. I don't know. I
You
can't
had
do
me, though.
pranks. I can't do pranks.
You had me. I was not fool. I did not know. I didn't see that coming.
Did you know it was a prank at all?
No, I didn't. Good prank.
Good prank.
You got me. Definitely got me.
Prankster Steph
That
2024.
was good shit. That was good. That was actually funny.
Comment down below which segment you guys liked more. My best friend reaction to the car or pranking Dante. Honestly, I can't decide. They were both fun to make. I hope you guys enjoyed both of them as well. If you're trying to get a new car, do not set your car on fire. I was just making up things, whatever was in my head so he can fall for me trying to pour gas on my car. Also, I do not want a Benz. The first thing that came to my mind was a Benz, and I knew he would fall for it if I said a Benz, so I just said Benz. Who knows what my next car is gonna be. We're just gonna have to work hard for a new car. We're not gonna have to set our car on fire, okay? We can't do that. So see you guys next time. Stay blessed and stay safe. Peace.
What is that?
What is it? I don't know.
What if we do the GTI?